Hello my handsome and beautiful friends. Again we have here a very interesting question of evaluating limit. The question is like this: limit x tends to 0, 8x plus x cos x divided by b sin x. Alright, so how to do it? In this time, if you're going to directly plug the value of x tends to 0, then sin 0 equals to, always, as I told you, you have to first look at the denominator, then you think about the numerator. If you insert the x tends to 0 here, it's going to be sin 0, and sin 0 is 0, so your denominator is turning to 0. And whenever we get denominator 0, then that time the whole things becomes undetermined, undeterminable value, indefinite value. So we have to work before that. And what we can do, and the beauty of the question is, the question always comes with the solution. They always leave something there that you have to find out, so that you can further proceed. And I saw that there is here x and x. If I'm taking the x common, then I can take that x below this sign, and the sign is having the angle of x, and we can use directly the standard formula of sine. Right? What I mean to say, let me show you here. Limit x tends to 0, x I'm taking common, and a plus cosine of x divided by b times sine x. And if you plug the value of x tends to 0, and then you will get cosine of 0. Alright, and cosine of 0 is 1, so we don't have any trouble with this thing. And as I had told you, a over b can be written as 1 time b over a. Alright, so in the same pattern, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write, let me show you, x tends to 0 it is. Alright, I'm first writing this a plus cos x, it's a plus cosine of x, and then divided by b also here as it is, and this sin x I'm writing here first. Alright, and this x, as I told you, x over sin x, let's say this is your x and this is your sin x, then that time what you can write, 1 over sin x divided by x. Alright, so this x is coming just below this. Alright, so it will be now x. And what is the reason behind this? Can you tell me? Yes, absolutely, you're right. We have a very standard formula: limit x tends to 0, or you say theta tends to 0, sine of theta divided by theta equals to 1. This standard formula we had learned. Whenever angle tends to 0, sine of the angle divided by angle, that's 1. So here we're going to get that one. Angle tends to 0, sine of the angle divided by angle, that's 1. And this time now we are not going to get denominator 0. So as we are not going to get denominator 0, so we can directly plug our values. X tends to 0, so it will be a plus cosine of 0, and this is b, and for this all you can directly write here 1, and our answer is going to get a plus 1 divided by b. That's our solution.